We interrupt the regular programming. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a national emergency. An attack in London had the biggest nuclear strike ever. No one knows what it is. It might be the fire nuclear warning. Please remember, you need to evacuate your house immediately. Drive in the city so fast you will notice that planes will be hijacked. Do not use planes, trains, trams, and buses. Stay away. And use subway immediately. Even though you don't have any vehicles to know, then you need to hide in the underground immediately. From now on, keep the channel on for more information called BBC One, BBC Two, BBC Three, CBS TV, Fox TV, PBS, and BBC Four. Please remember, keep the channel on for more dangerous information.